What's going on, guys? This is Willis here. Today, me and Hot Gaming are going to be a video. He's facing this way with this weird stand thing, because he's doing YouTube too. He's going to do a video. No, I mean, because it'll look weird from an angle. Anyway, so yeah, so we're going to be doing a video on nerf. So you do yours.
Hey guys,
he's just doing his intro for his video.
On, nerf guns. Me and Willis D are gonna have a nerf war. Well, are we just gonna do it in this
yeah,
week?
we're
gonna do it in around this
we're gonna
week.
shoot each other because it's fun.
Yeah, we was hoping we could probably will join us, but they're well. So.
Yeah, no, because they're evil and the demons. Yes, they are out there.
So yeah, that's.
You're only allowed 2 pistols. Yeah? Do I do that?
Yeah.
Well, I've only got Jolt. In fact, no.
So we're only allowed 2
Guys,
pistols, so I'm using my fire strike.
Then I'm using my double strike.
Yeah, no.
Guys, this is my double strike. Sorry if I'm not, like, going in front of this camera that much. Alright, guys, can you see that? The double strike. Let's reload. Reload it with this thing here. Pull it back. You fire with this trigger. Hey guys.
Yeah, by the way, I'm too bad.
Guys, today this lighting is probably a lot better than my other videos because it is. What time is it?
It's about 9 o'clock. It is 9:30.
Yeah, 9:30, guys. And we woke up at like.
We woke up at 5:15.
No, I woke up at about 22. And then I woke you up ish. Because he was waking up he was like he was on and off, so he was half awake, half asleep. So then I came up and jumped on him.
It was really creepy.
So yeah, let's just get straight into it. How many bullets have you got? You can only
2.
use. Yeah, I've only got 2.
Well, from this. So when you're ready, I'll count down from 10 and it'll start.
Right, guys. Alright, what I'm gonna do for you guys, with the camera, you guys, I'm gonna be recording like this, yeah.
I don't know how. I'll tilt it like that so you can see the nerf a bit.
Wait, guys, I might put you on here.
See, I've got the laser. Willie's got the laser working.
Huh? Yeah. Guys,
I've got a sight on it. Except it won't work because it's.
Yeah, no, but my gun. Yours is only elite. Mine's zombie strike. And zombie strike is cooler, just because it is.
I do have a double strike.
In fact, guys, I'm gonna carry you lot around. You know.
Oh, but then
Right, and how are we gonna do it then?
I'm just gonna face my camera like there. So 10.
So how are we
9.
gonna? Wait, if I'm reloading, it's gonna be hard, yeah. So
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ow! Wait 1 minute. I'm out. Where did that bullet go? Yes, bullet. Guys. I'm putting you guys on the camera. Guys. Let's let me plug these in. Guys, I've just got cables everywhere. Bags everywhere from YouTube and stuff.
Okay, time out then.
Yeah, guys, so you guys, I'm putting you guys facing there. So if you hide over there where you was hiding, yeah, I'll see if I can see you on it. Yes, you can see you. So guys,
wait,
I'm gonna have you guys facing that way. So where's that other bullet gone?
I don't know.
Oh, I found it. It was in the shoebox.
I found it.
Yeah, so
This one's the only one that works.
Guys, right, and this time we're starting for real. You can have 2 extra bullets just in case you. Well, right, guys, I'm getting. Hurry up. Where did that bullet go? Oh, I think we lost the bullet.
Hope not.
You lost our bullet?
That was my one.
Is it?
Yeah. It was.
You can have one. Get that one. We'll find it. It'll be fine. But you're not
That
leaving
was
it.
the only bullet that worked.
Hmm? Oh, my bullet. Oh.
Can I choose the jolt pistol, Lewis? Because
In fact, no, can I use Jot and then you use this? Come on. Can I? I know you're going to shoot me. No, can you use this thing and I use Jolt? I'm using Jolt. Guys, I'm using the Jolt just because it's cool. I like the Jolt. I don't know why, but I like the really, really small guns. So, guys, you can see me on that camera and this camera here. See what that means? Now, if we do the cameras like that, yeah? So then on that camera over there, can you see me on my camera? Go check if you can see me on my camera.
yeah.
But you can also see me on your camera. Look. Yeah? I've got double camera. Double recording. What are you doing? Oh, you've done. Double recording. Can you share them all? Please. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that was just my brother because he didn't eat any sweets.
It was me that didn't eat.
Yeah, no. You. Hey guys.
That's hard.
Oh no, your camera's just stopped recording because there isn't enough storage. But click record, yeah? Oh guys, get out my camera. Oh guys, his camera's just stopped working because, you know, he hasn't got enough storage. I told you this, didn't I? No. Yeah, I did. I told you yesterday. Guys, because he's been out of sleep. Guys. Oh no. Guys. Oh, what? Oh, it's just my light.
I'm going to upload a video now.
Of me?
No.
That one there. Did that get you?
No.
I was going to say. Oh, he loaded it.
What are you doing?
Trying to kill you.
Obviously.
Baby. Hey
Hey,
kids. I'm joking. No, you can do.
Hey guys, today we're doing a nerf one.
Oh my god.
My camera was just stopping, so yeah. I'm just.
No, we've been 9 minutes. No, 8.5 minutes.
Okay.
Right, guys, we're doing Nerf War. So basically, he's got my gun, I've got my gun too. Well, my brother's gun. So yeah, we're just gonna have a Nerf War. What's mine? Yes, I've got sweeties. Hey guys.
So I'm using the Somis right
I
now.
got an egg, a chocolate egg.
Okay, let's go.
Just to rub it in.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, we're starting, yeah? You guys.
I don't know if you can see me.
Right, and should we get Alex and Callum to do... Can I get in the walls?
No, my finger's too fluffy. It didn't hurt.
Oh. Ow! That gun hurts. Oh my god, you're such a wuss. Wait, how did I say that? Jeez. Wait for those bop. Oh, nice. You're the worst Nerf War person ever.
No, not my nuts. Ow!
That came in the nut. Where did that go? Why do you keep losing bullets?
It wasn't me.
Yes, it was. It's not. Oh my. I'm having one of your bullets.
Come on. We've been going 10 minutes.
That's fine. You got 4. A minute. I'm not reloaded. Ow!
Right. I didn't even mean to as well. I shot him on the head.
That was funny though. You lost another bullet.
No.
Oh, you've lost what? Oh, found it.
Best of this. Guys, I think I just lost another one.
I'm having your bullets, so it's fine. Guys, sorry about the carding. But, you know, guys. Oh, that tickled a little bit. You shot me right on the chest. Stand up! The people on camera can't see you. Oh, you dare. You lost another bullet.
It was an
Found one.
accident.
Found one. Don't you dare shoot me on the bum. You dare.
Thanks for the idea.
Oh, we don't. Hawk Gaming. What are you doing, you stupid boy? Oh, did I get you? Yeah. Can you close the door? That one don't shoot, that bullet. You dare. Oh, that's a good shot. Ah!
Did I get you on your butt?
There, just under. Just under the cheek.
No.
Thank you. Thank you for the bullets to shoot you. Right, where are you? You can't even see, guys. He's being a wuss and he's hiding through there.
And you back.
Jeez, that hit me on the finger. That's nice.
Where did he go? I threw the gun at you.
Oh! I'll get you.
No.
Guys, we're in our jammers because, you know, we're bosses. Ow.
I got you.
You got me on the finger.
I was
knuckle.
literally spinning and I was like, boring.
That's shot your gun. It went in a month. You shot the radiator. I heard it.
That hit my neck.
No, I don't have... Oh! Oh. No! You missed. Oh no, I knocked out my Pokemon now. Oh, it's fine. Shoot. That bullet didn't work. Can't shoot from that one.
Oh, got me on my finger.
360, no scope! I get you.
No.
Oh. Guys, this is the end of the video. Guys, this is the end of the video. Subscribe for more. Likes will be highly appreciated. I'll see you in the next video.